Hello everyone, welcome to Wing Tarot. Today we are going to do another pick a card reading for the topic what are the things going to improve in May 2021. I hope you all are doing well since there is an energy shift happened recently, so people are facing more difficult phase in their life. Once we have been through this energy shift, now it's time to focus on what are the things which will get improved in the new month, which is May 2021. So yes, there are three cards. This is pile number 1, pile number 2, this is pile number 3. Take your time, meditate. If you need some more time, then pause the video and I'll catch you in the timestamp. Hello pile 1, let's see what are the things which are going to improve in May 2021. So the card which you have got is Child of Cosmos. The intelligence of the universe lies within you. The vibe I'm getting here, earlier your intuition was not so strong, but due to this energy shift, now you have started understanding the things from the universe, or you have started getting answer from the universe. So it's a confirmation from divine guidance that yes, things are getting better, your intuition is getting better, and the intelligence of the universe lies within you. The vibe I'm getting here that universe is actually providing you the answers. Maybe you are feeling, you are understanding now why the things happened the way it happened in your past, because that's why you have chosen this path and you have become spiritually awakened. Let's see how it will impact on your three-dimensional world. So I'm using Everyday Witch tarot card. I'm feeling I need one more card. Because since there is Page of Swords. See how beautifully it is getting resonated. The vibe I'm getting here, the things which are getting improved, that there is a tower card. Something which was not built on strong foundation, now it is getting destroyed, and you are getting a chance to build something for your own good. So see how proud that woman is. I mean, she has finally come out of this bad situation. Even that cat is scared, which you can see, but that woman is feeling so proud of herself. And this kind of achievement you are going to do, you are finally letting go of the things which are not serving you anymore. It can be a job situation, or it can be in your relationship. The things which you are holding on to. See this ten of wands. This, like, you are understanding, you are carrying a weight. It may so happen this weight is not you are not supposed to carry, because this is given by someone else to you. You are having lot of responsibilities and all, but you are carrying those responsibilities, you are fulfilling others wish which you don't want to do, and finally these things are getting improved because this card has come in reverse. So you are finally letting go of these things, and you are ready to start something new, and you're getting the messages from the universe, and you're like, yes, I'm ready for the next challenge. So the vibe I'm getting here is that the things which are getting improved in May 2021 for you, that you are letting go of all the things which are not serving you or helping you to grow. Also the Empress card is here. So this Empress, so there is abundance coming, you are actually coming into the power. See how these two cards are resonating with each other. This woman, she has destroyed the things which were not built on strong foundation. She has achieved something, and that's why she could turn herself into this abundant empress. And see how happy she is. She has got everything. She's beautiful. She has got some kind of magic in herself. So the answers lies within you. So this, when the divine has already helped you to come out of this situation, finally she is free. The same vibe I'm getting. So you are the child of this cosmos. Another vibe I'm getting here, that if someone is trying for family planning, then yes, it's a good time. Or someone in your family is already pregnant. See what are the things are getting improved career wise as well. Things which are getting better in May 2021. Oops. Again, Nine of Swords, which has come in the reverse. So I'm showing you like this to interpret first. So no more uh, no more harmful thoughts, no more thinking of that you are sad. You want to get out of this situation. This phase of this difficult phase in your life has passed. Now you need to get up and actually work on your dreams. You need to let go of these thoughts which are not helping you to grow. So if you are really looking for some career change, or if you really want to get out of toxic job environment, then yes, this is the time. Universe or the divine is already helping you, it's already giving you answers. So this is the time that you should speak up, raise your voice, and just get out of the situation. Four of Cups. See, the way I'm looking at these cards are like this girl, she wasn't happy after whatever she thought she is having, but she has completely ignored that yes, she is blessed with something else. So, she, you really need to focus on your actual things which you are having in your life. If you are working in a company or if you are having your own business, just look out for the things which are going well uh, in your career, and just remove all the negative thoughts, bad thoughts from your mind, so that once you get rid of this burden, once you get rid of these harmful thoughts, you can actually thrive. You can actually thrive like an empress. And the good thing is these things are improving. You are finally letting go of this mindset. And see how peacefully he is walking away. He has got all the resources which he need for his journey, and he's now just walking away from that toxic situation. The vibe I'm getting here is finally he has started journey towards his dream. So Pile, when I'm getting that you were you were too sad in your past, you were not at all happy the way things were happening in your relationship or in at your job place. You were not happy at all. First of all, stop looking for what other people are doing or what other people are getting. If suppose other person is getting hike, other person is getting new job opportunity, so it is a sign from the universe that you also deserve such opportunity to grow or to thrive. You are not meant to be like a poor person or a sad person. You are meant to grow. You just let go of things which are burdening you. You should let go of the toxic things or the foundation which is not stronger. If you really want to make a career change, if suppose currently in some field, if you are working and you really want to change your career to some different field or to spiritual field, then yes, it's really a right time. It's really a right time to do so. It's all about taking the steps. It's all about this starting the journey. And you are really going to make yourself ready for this new opportunity, for the new thing. You are like, yes, come here, I'm ready for this new challenge. See how prepared he is. He has studied, he has already got the knowledge from the books, and now he is like, yes, I'm ready. Let's find out if any extra information universe wants to give for pile 1. Let's find out some extra information for pile 1. Okay. See, the things which are improving, even the sun card is in reverse, it is improving. So sun card has come like this way. So now there gonna be more brightness in your life. Justice is coming, and also you will get more money. If something injustice things have happened in your past, you don't need to take revenge, because let karma do its own job, and surely you will get justice for the things which you deserve. You are really gonna get more money in your life in May 2021. Because this thing is actually improving. The sun is actually telling that everything is gonna be okay. You are being divinely guided, and you need to seek answer within yourself. So this journey should be inward and not about what is happening outside. So tribe, in May 2021, let go of the things which are not helping you anymore, and start something new, something which you like, something which you really want to do, and be proud of yourself. You don't need to criticize yourself that how things have gone wrong in the past. It's okay, it was the phase of the life, and now you are ready to thrive. So thank you for coming back to my videos, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye for now. Hi Pile 2. Let's see what is the thing which is improving in May 2021 for you guys. The void. Stop, embrace winter, great cosmic moon. The vibe I'm getting here, that the things were not clear earlier. When this energy shift was happening, there were a lot of energies which were not giving you the clear guidance, and it was a little bit chaotic, I can say. But now the things which are improving in May 2021 is this darkness is going away from your life, and finally you are able to see the path clearly. Let's pull out some other cards. What are the things are improving for pile 2 in May 2021? I'm pulling out 3 cards. Okay. Ace of Swords. Okay, and I need one more card. Did flip? No. The Fool, Ace of Swords, and the Moon. Earlier the path wasn't clear for you guys, but now the things which are improving, you are getting a lot of new opportunities, and you are like, yes, you are ready for these new things. You are ready to start your journey. Some of the things universe wants hide from you. Universe will unfold these unexpected good things later in your life. But yes, this will be positive things, and you are like, yes, I'm prepared. I'm prepared for this. I believe in universe, and I'm ready to take that step. I'm ready to jump in that void, and I'm ready to start my new journey. You are not afraid of any obstacles. You are letting go of this fear and you are ready to embrace the unexpected good things or the unexpected I don't know why I can't speak. The unexpected good things which are going to happen here in your life. You are not thinking about results, like how these things will turn out in future, but you are more action oriented. So Ace of Sword is like you are finally starting a new thing. The Ace of Sword is actually giving the vibe that yes, you are ready to manifest some better things, to manifest the brightness, and even if you are jumping into void, or if you are jumping into some unknown situation, unknown things, you will get the clarity. You are not stuck anymore. You are moving ahead. This vibe I'm getting. So yes, these things are improving. Even if some things are hidden from you, and even if universe does not want to open these things up right now, but yes, you will get surprised that yes, you are stronger than or wiser than you think. Let's pull out a couple of more cards. What are the things in job or career are improving in 2021? In May 2021, I'm just giving the timeline of 1 month. I want 3 cards. Okay, 2 are already there. Okay, 8 of cups, 9 of cups. Oh my god. See the Fool card. From two decks, from two tarot card decks, you are getting the Fool card. I mean, yes, you are absolutely ready for this new opportunity, or new things are coming into your life, and you are believing in the universe, and you are ready to jump. You are absolutely ready to jump in the void, and things don't seem clear to you, but yes, you will get the clarity. You will get the clarity, and everything's gonna turn out really very good. See, 8 of cups, she is walking away. She is walking away from the things which has not served her earlier, and finally she is walking to that brightness. So uh, this darkness is finally going to get cleared out from your life, and wish fulfillment is already there. Your finances will get improved drastically. You will be on cloud 9. Literally, I'm getting that feeling. When once you have got this clarity, you are really going to take you are really going to get this money, your wish fulfillment. It's like the dream, your dream has come true. So if you are really chasing for the dream, and earlier there was no clarity like how these things will happen in your job or career, then yes, you these things are going to turn out better than you expected. These things are really gonna turn out better than you expected. I can see a lot of feminine energy here. So see, in every card there is a woman. It's not necessary that you have to be woman to choose this pile, but I'm getting the vibe that yes, women, most of the women will choose this pile, but and yes, your manifestation will be stronger. I'm getting the vibe like whatever was there in the past, I mean the toxic things or toxic environment or the things which you were having earlier, but they were not giving you sense of fulfillment and you were not able to grow in such toxic environment. You are like, now I want to get rid of these things and I want to achieve what I have really dreamed about. I really want to get out of this darkness. And yes, these things are actually improving in May 2021. You are like, yes, I'm ready to take the step and I'm ready to thrive. And the clarity is coming. Let's find out if any extra information. Any extra information for pile number 2, for the things which are going to get better or good things which are coming in May 2021. Okay. Yes, these conflicting situations are going to be over soon. Yes, celebration is coming. 9 of Cups, 3 of Cups. Yes, celebration, wish fulfillment. After wish fulfillment, obviously you will celebrate. That card just flipped. Okay, the Hierophant. The 5 of Wands. First of all, this conflicting situation will go away and you are like, no, I want clarity, I want to take that step. And the confusion in your mind, I'm getting that it's more in your mind, or even if people with different perspective, they will not impact on your decision. They will you will not give value to the people who are having different perspective. You are like, okay, this is what I want to do. I want to let go from such things which are not serving me. So you are walking away from those things and you are taking the step. You are taking the new things in your life. You are welcoming the new things in your life. The Hierophant is like, I'm getting this vibe. Once you have fulfilled your dreams, obviously there will be a celebration. And after celebrating, once you reach out to more people, of course people will come to you that how you have achieved these things. So the Hierophant is like, you will start guiding more people. You will really start sharing your experiences with people and you will start motivating as well, like how you have achieved the things, how you have completed your dream, and it can be like inspiring story for others. So tribe, I would like to say that yes, focus on your dreams and just move ahead because clarity is coming. Things are really going to get improved. So I stop my reading here. I hope you have enjoyed this reading and I'll meet you in my next reading. Bye for now. Hello pile 3. Those who have chosen the last pile, let's see what are the things improving for you guys in May 2021. Earth pulsing. Pulse of the mother, slow down, time in nature. I'm really getting vibe here that you will travel to such a place where you will actually enjoy the nature and it will give you relaxation. It seems that people were more frustrated. While three, you guys were more frustrated in past few months, and now you really need to take break from your daily routine, and you need to slow down and you need to spend time in nature and heal your energies. Traveling will be really good if COVID-19 situation laws are not there. I mean, if you can just go to some nearby places, and it will really rejuvenate your energy. It will heal you, and you really need a pulse of our Mother Earth. So I'm sensing a traveling here. Travel to such places where mountains are there, or where you will see a lot of greenery, and it will give you happiness. Aesthetic view of nature will help you to calm your mind. This is what I'm getting. Let's see what is the information coming from these cards. So okay, oops, too many cards. These are too many cards. What are the things getting improved in May 2021 for pile 3? Okay. Okay, traveling vibe. I'm getting it again. I just need one more card. Okay. I'm sensing that finally you are really take time for yourself, and you are really going to enjoy your life. See how happy these women are. In Three of Cups, it's like social gathering, you are partying, and yes, you are happy. You are literally celebrating the time in nature. In nature, it's not like party in the house, it's like you are celebrating with your friends in the nature. Also, see how happy this woman is. She is also enjoying her own company in the nature. So it's more about going outside. Even this chariot is saying, I'm getting traveling vibe. I know there is a lockdown situation, but if you are staying at a place where you can actually go out and spend time in the nature, yes, it's gonna happen for you. And it's all about relaxation and understanding. It's all about relaxation. And this Four of Cups, which is in reverse, so it's like, yes, you were not happy with whatever things you were having. You were really stressed, and that stress is finally gone. You don't need to be anxious anymore, and you will get new things in your life. Once you, since this card is in reverse, this thing is getting improved. Once you relax your mind or calm your mind, once you go out with your friends or distract your mind from your regular routine, surely you will get happiness, or you will be more than happy. You will literally have this Yahoo moment in your life. I'm sensing that you are getting freedom freedom to go anywhere. Freedom to travel, freedom to go anywhere, freedom to meet people and actually enjoy your life. So all these vibes I'm getting, like, just get out from your home and enjoy in nature. Let's find out what will happen in your career, job and career. What are the things getting improved in your job and career? Okay, I'm taking this card. What are the things improving in a job and career in May 2021? I need one more card. What are the things improving in job and career for pile 3 in May 2021? Okay, if you are really waiting for promotion or hike, these things are coming to you, and on immediate basis it will happen. So yes, there will be a pay raise in your job and career. Again, chariot, again I'm sensing that yes, you will be traveling somewhere, but in this chariot card and this chariot card, what I'm sensing that your energy is balanced. Your yin yang is going to be balanced and you will be no more anxious. And in job and career, if you are frustrated with your work or the toxic situation in your job place, anyways your energy will get balanced due to this travel. You will be more than happy and you will look forward to what things you can achieve. So there will be since there will be some pay raise, or if there is a promotion, then yes, there will you will get you will get a higher level. And since you will become a senior person or a manager, or if you get a senior designation, then you will get a better idea or a better view of what things are happening in your job. There may be an international travel. The world card is actually telling me there may be an international travel include. I know COVID-19 situation is at peak and people are really not going outside, but this travel vibe is really strong here. You may get an opportunity to work on international projects or with international clients. So even if you are at your home, you are working from your home, still you will get to know a different culture. Let's see if any extra information for pile 3. Okay, 3 of wands. Again, your hard work is really paying off. You are really going to get promotion or salary hike and your skills will get recognized. You will get appreciated really very soon. You are really curious. The way this chariot card is there, I mean, you are looking forward to something. You are looking forward to the next, I don't want to say challenge, but the next unexpected thing, or the how the things will turn up in future, because now your energy is balanced. You are no more frustrated or anxious. Finally you are happy with things, the way things are turning out in your life in May 2021. So you are looking out for such balance. Finally this divine energy is coming together, and it's actually making you fulfilled emotionally. Emotional fulfillment, I'm able to sense here. So yes, these things are improving in your life, and they will give you more happiness. Travel is the thing which always brings more happiness in our life. So yes, if you are really getting such Yahoo moment in your life due to travel, go for it. Don't think about it, just take that step and have some adventure in your life. But while taking such risk, make sure that you are following the rules of COVID-19, or whatever rules the government has made for us, and following the safety regulations. Then only you travel, so that there won't be a confusion, or you don't need to run away from certain things, and you can celebrate well. So yes, I'm getting these vibes for you guys. I hope you have enjoyed this reading. Thank you, Try, for coming back to my videos, and I'll catch you in my next video. Bye for now.